Hello everybody, Rodrez here. Another upload on here on Saturday. You read the title, you read the thumbnail. We got another haul unboxing. Let's get this guy opened up. Alright, and the first item here of the haul are these MF Doom Dunk Highs, which are kind of malformed from being squished in the box, but that's alright. I'm going to wear them plenty, and they'll look perfectly fine. Got these for a great deal because they were quote-unquote defective pairs, which I don't see anything defective in them aside from this pokes out to me here, the edge of the piping here, but if that's what the defection is, then I couldn't care less. They look perfectly fine to me. They look fantastic, and I'm very happy to have these being one of my personal holy grails that I couldn't ever find for a decent price. Very glad to have these, as Doom's one of my favorite artists. Obviously, around the toe box, it's got this studded look, and on the ankle strap, it is embroidered the Doom little logo. Around all of the panels here, you can see this piping, which is a 3M reflective material around the gray panels. And I think one of my favorite touches on these is the little lace charms that say super villain. I think that's super sick. Very happy. These also did come with the alternate laces, but I think I'm going to keep the red in here to give it a little pop, you know? Oh, I didn't realize this. On the top of the tongue tags, it has the MF Doom mask embroidered. And also that tongue looks like it'd be a reflective 3M material. I'm not sure, but it looks like it would be. And of course, the best part about these sneakers is the sole, which is translucent and has these two different artwork graphics of Doom. The right here from Food, and I'm not sure where the left one is from, but super cool nonetheless. So, these are super cool. Very glad to have them. One of my personal grails. And hopefully I'll make a video about these guys soon so you guys can learn more. Our second item is the New Balance 990 V4 Jound in this Phantom Black colorway. I was looking for a pair of 990 V3s, and I happened to stumble upon these. Didn't realize that they even existed, and I love this colorway, being all blacked out, and the side panels made of this delicious looking suede. Let's get a close-up on that. Look at that suede movement. That's just lovely. These are a wonderful addition. I'm sure they're going to be comfortable, and I'm very happy to have them. Nice workout shoe. Next item we've got are these two, which are face masks. Not in the traditional sense. They're more like a balaclava. Go over the face, and this bit for the mouth area to keep warm during a winter storm. And they got these sick eyeglass buttons, which you can unbutton and flip down to go over the eye area, but optionally they just stay up like that. I think these are super sick. And I got two of them, one for the lady and one for me, so when we're out snow shoveling or going out in the snowstorm, we've got protection, we can keep warm. Very cool. And our last item here is still in the box. Gotta open it up and unwrap it. Let's see what it is. It is a Jordan 4, and by the styling of the box, you can obviously tell it is an off-white version. Let's look at the size tag. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Sail Muslin Black Red. That's right. We have got the bread Jordan 4 off-white. Let me get this out of the box real quick. So, these are the off-white bread Air Jordan 4s. Unreleased as of currently recording and posting this video. They likely will be released in the future, but I really think this pair is cool. Been eyeing the off-white Jordan 4s for a little while, but everybody's got the sale colorway, and I don't have a black Jordan 4, so I thought this was super cool. I love the hit of the ripstop around the toe guard and the translucent sole is just, I love translucent soles, and it looks fantastic on these Jordan 4s. Reminds me also the Travis Scott Jordan 4s also has the translucent outsole. Super cool. Same thing with the back tab being translucent, but we've already seen this on the sale Jordan 4 that's been out for a little while now. It also comes with some laces. We got red with white text on them. We got sale with black text on them. And we've got white with black text on them. I'm definitely going to keep the black in here to keep the look nice and monochromatic. I really like that. Alright guys, so that's it for this upload. Hope you enjoyed. I think my pickups are pretty good. Now that I'm looking at it from this angle, it's pretty monochromatic being all black and grayed out, huh? Well, whatever. Some nice additions to the collection. A long time grail. Very happy. And I'll see you guys in the next upload next Saturday. Adios.